One problem that we've ran into in the past is changing a website from HTTP non-SSL to HTTPS, having an SSL on the website. And in Google Ads, it's very difficult to do this in a bulk way in just the normal AdWords interface. You actually have to use the Google Ads editor. And the reason that it's important to do this, even if you have the proper redirects on your website, it's a lot of times in analytics, it'll create two sessions and can mess up your conversion tracking if you don't do this properly. So I'm going to give you a really quick walkthrough on how to do this. So if you look at the screen here, all these ads, even though they're different you can have different landing pages across ads, they all have HTTP. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and select all my ads. Select all my ads. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to select all my ads, and you can click this replace text up here. So I'm going to go ahead and go to replace text, and you can find text, and I'm going to do HTTP : and I'm going to replace that with HTTPS : and you just hit replace, and it'll update all your ads. And I can go to each ad individually and see that they're all updated to SSL. I know this seems simple, but it's a very effective tutorial on how to do this, and if you run into this, I hope this helps. Thank you.